Hello, children. Today I am going to teach you a poem, Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. In this particular poetry, poet describes about the plight of the poor people or the rural people living outside the town or city who always hope for a better life with the help of the money which they could get from the city people. See, for this particular desire, what is happening here? The little old house was out with a little new shed. These people constructed a new shed attached to the old house. And what is the main purpose of this new shed? In front of, at the edge of the road where the traffic split, they have built this new shed in front of the edge of the road, that road from where every time the traffic used to move. Split means move. A roadside stand, that too pathetically played. This roadside stand means shop. In a pitiful manner they request to the people who pass from there, it would not be fair to say for a dole of bread. Poet says that it would not be fair to say that they request or they beg for their daily bread, but for some of the money, the cash, whose flow supports the flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. But they require the money or the cash whose flow supports the flower of cities, means needs of cities, necessities of cities, and stops them from sinking and withering. These village people desire that money or cash that supports the life of city and prevent them from sinking and withering, so that they can also make their life similar to the city life. But what happens here? The polished traffic passed with a mind ahead, but the city people who is passing from there, they used to pass away from there without taking any care or attention to these poor people, or if ever aside a moment, then out of shots, or if ever they stop there out of sight. This is the phrase that means out of anger, out of fury, at having the landscape marred with the artless paint. Why they become angry? When they see the landscape that has been spoiled with the artless paint used by the rural people, or of signs that with north turned wrong and south turned wrong. The city people also become angry on the carelessness of the rural people who had not paid any attention to the signboards that has been put by government to show the north direction or south direction. The board has turned into wrong direction. They never minded about this. For this particular thing also, the city people become angry on these rural people. And what does these village people offer? They offer for sale wild berries in a wooden quarters. These rural people offer to sell the wild berries that has been packed in a wooden quarters, wooden box, having a quarter amount, or crook-necked golden squash with silver words. What is the second thing they offer? The second thing they offer is squash, that is of golden color and having a crook neck, a bend neck, and they put a silver words, so that with the help of that pins or words, the people may eat that fruit. They also offer the beautiful rest in a beautiful mountain scene. They also offer the people who are passing from there that they can rest to that place and enjoy the beautiful scenery there. But what does poet find? You have the money, but if you want to be mean. He is putting a comment, a remark on the people who are passing from there, rich people who are passing from there. They have the money, but they want to be mean. Mean means miser, and they don't want to part their money with these poor people. Now he puts a question, why keep your money and go along? He is putting a question, why you are keeping the money with you and passing from there and not sharing it with these poor people who need it very severely. I hope that you have understood these lines. The next further lines will be explained in next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.